Today we're going to be talking about a new kind of problem. These kinds of problems are called force problems. Force has to do with how much force you have to give something. So for instance, it says a man is accelerating his car at 10 meters per second and his car weighs 2,000 kilograms. What force is needed to keep accelerating his car? So in order to solve force problems, you have to know that force equals mass times acceleration. I'm just going to abbreviate acceleration as ECCEL. And the way we write that in shorthand is F equals M for mass and A for acceleration. So in this case, we know that up here he's accelerating, so we know this is the acceleration. And we know that right here his car weighs 2,000 kilograms. We know that's the mass because mass is how much something weighs and kilograms is weight. So for this weight right here, we're going to put in the 2,000 because we have 2,000 kilograms, 2,000 kilograms. And we're going to multiply that by the acceleration, which is 10 meters per second squared. So we're going to put in 10 meters per second squared. And these two things are going to equal the force. So equals, we have 2,000 times 10. We just count the since it's a 10 problem, we just count the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we put in the, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, and 2 times 1 is 2. And force is always put in terms of newtons or N, because Sir Isaac Newton was the one who sort of but figured out how force works, and so it's named after him. And so the answer is 20,000 newtons. And that is basically how you solve the first kind of force problems.